Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making an Asian-inspired popcorn chicken. First, cut roughly 400 grams of boneless skinless chicken thighs and place into a bowl for marinating. Next, for our marinade, we're going to roughly mince 2 cloves of garlic. Followed by 1 tablespoon of gluten-free soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now we'll mix it all together and let it marinate for roughly 30 minutes. Once that's finished, we'll start preparing the dredge. First, combine 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 1/2 cup of potato starch. Next, add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of 5 spice. In a separate dish, we'll scramble 1 egg. Now, we can take the chicken directly out of the marinade and put them into the dredge and give them a light coating. After that, bring the chicken over to the other plate and give them a coating of egg as well. And finally, we'll bring them back and coat them again in the dredge. Now repeat this process until all your chicken is done. Once your oil has reached 350 degrees Fahrenheit, let's get to frying. First, place enough chicken in the hot oil so that they aren't overcrowded and let them cook for 2 minutes, and move them around every now and again to make sure they cook evenly. Next, take them out and let them sit for 30 seconds. Once time is up, we're going to take the chicken and put it back into the oil for a double fry. We'll keep them in for another 2 minutes, then take them out, and in goes the next batch. Once all the chicken is cooked, we're going to sprinkle a pinch or 2 of 5 spice on top and garnish with Thai basil or green onions. If you enjoyed the video and left a like, comment, or subscribe, we'd just like to let you know we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching!